Welcome to the presentation of Carpigiani's range of semi-automatic soft-serve machines. Machines with technology to serve a set amount of soft-serve with just the push of a button. This product range includes the 241 𝐬𝐸, 241 Magica, and 241 Magica Colore. These machines can accommodate a wide range of liquid mixtures for making high-quality soft-serve gelato, ice cream, sorbets, frozen yogurt, and even plant-based soft-serve. With Carpigiani semi-automatic machines, ice cream is ready in just a few steps. In the 241 𝐬𝐸, you simply place the cup or cone, press the button, and take your ice cream. Whereas the Magica models are equipped with a coin acceptor, allowing them to be token operated. Additionally, the Magica models can serve a double portion of ice cream if the user inserts 2 tokens. When setting up the semi-automatic machines, you can set the quantity of ice cream to be dispensed, with adjustable portions from a minimum of 65 grams to a maximum of 120 grams. The cup support can also be configured to hold a cup, a cone, or another type of container. The 241 Magica Colore model has a pressurized syrup system allowing it to variegate the ice cream. It creates a homogeneous lines of flavored syrup on the crests. This way, you can choose between 3 product options: the single flavor soft serve without syrup, as well as 2 options of soft serve flavored on the crests of the ice cream. The Hard-O-Tronic control system allows you to choose and even change the consistency of the final product via the control panel, regardless of the type of liquid mixture being used. Dispensing always takes place in a protected area thanks to the shaped protective plexiglass. Furthermore, in the 241 Magica and 241 Magica Colore models, the column light indicator warns the operator in a remote position if the machine has any issues or alarms, or if the mixture is running out. The cooling system can be water or air-cooled. The air-cooled version with its rear chimney allows the machines to be placed next to other equipment and even against the wall. All models are available only in steel version with the stainless steel front panel. To easily move the machines within a room, the 241 𝐬𝐸 model has an optional cabinet on which the machine can be placed upon and which can house service materials. In the Magica models, the cabinet is standard as it contains the coin tray. Furthermore, only in Magica Colore version, the cabinet acts as a housing for the containers of the desired flavored syrups. All models are available in the pump version with a 12-liter tank. The automatic self-pasteurization system standard for all models allows you to choose when to wash the machine up to a maximum interval of 42 days. As a further guarantee of hygienic safety, if the operator does not perform the complete cleaning at the end of the preset number of days, the machine goes into automatic block. To facilitate cleaning operations, the wash kit positioned above the tank is available as an option. The pasteurization and mixed storage programs can be set to automatically run at a convenient time, such as overnight, so that the machine is ready for production the next day. The tank lid in ergonomic plastic material is equipped with a special key lock to prevent accidental opening and ensure maximum product hygiene. The tank agitator prevents product stratification during storage and improves heat exchange during pasteurization. High performance is ensured with the 1.75-liter direct expansion cylinder. It optimizes the refrigeration process, speeding up freezing times and eliminating energy waste. The 2E RSI beater with a stainless steel frame, plastic scrapers, and a removable shaft is ideal for a soft and creamy soft serve. Service is easier with the optional Teorema, the remote control and diagnosis system for monitoring machine operation. You can access it via computer or mobile device, and Carpigiani technicians are automatically alerted about any potential issues the machine is having. By scanning the QR code on the front of the machine, useful content such as the instruction manual, ordinary maintenance schedules, and even machine use and washing videos can be accessed with just a few clicks. In just 1 hour, the 241 𝐬𝐸, 241 Magica, and 241 Magica Colore can produce up to 320 portions of 75-gram cones. Of course, production capacity always depends on the mix and settings used by the operator. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you choose the right equipment. You can find the contact information of your local Carpigiani distributor, as well as more info at carpigiani.com.